Hello, and welcome back to week 7. I know I can't believe it's gone by this fast. I have truly enjoyed every week with you. It's been a real eye-opener in terms of what people think about healthcare, but also we've dug into some provocative topics like mandated vaccinations. The whole point is to really give you a chance to state what you believe and why you believe it, and to have that groundbreaking conversation with others who don't believe like you do. So, as we're looking forward to week 7, I want to tell you what's coming your way. So you are going to read in your textbook chapters 14 and 15, consumerism, about healthcare, and then also about global delivery. I think those are both really important, particularly in light of our discussion last week with Brad Pitt's comment about global healthcare. I think this will give you a chance to really, kind of solidify your points. So you have an article you're going to read, Identity and Authenticity in Medical Ethics. And then I gave you a really weird kind of TED Talk. It's 4 ways to fix a broken legal system. Now, you might be saying to yourself, what's that got to do with healthcare? I want you to look at it and see, what could it have to do with healthcare? Maybe it has nothing, but maybe there are some seeds of what we should examine, because we know healthcare is broken and we want to make it better for everybody. Then I want you to look forward to a discussion about the case study you're actually going to submit in week 7. I gave you a few starting in week 1. They've been in looking ahead. There's been something that you can look at all 3, pick one. I gave you a template for how to approach it. I would remind you, templates have, because they're broad enough to incorporate everything, that means that some of your case studies may not feel like they naturally are in alignment. So maybe parts of it work and parts of it don't. Use your initiative and your ideas, and I'm sure it'll be great. And then you're going to say, could you be a healthcare leader? And now that you've had this 7-week time period to look at some really different and difficult topics, is this something that you could do? And would you want to do it? Then there's 5 extra points if you share your comments, good, bad, or indifferent, about this course. What worked for you? What didn't work for you? I mean, the early week was really that was kind of a challenge, but everybody came together, and I've really appreciated how much I got to know you all. So if you share your comments, and then of course the last thing you have to submit is your case study. And remember that this course ends on Friday this week. So again, Friday, August 20th is the end of this course. So my goal is, as I have done in the past, Monday and Tuesday I will be grading, and I'll get those grades to you as quickly as I can. I start with discussion, and then so you should expect to see at least 1 discussion question finished by today, and the other tomorrow, as well as your essays. Then when I finish the course on Friday the 20th, I will start grading on Saturday, and all grades will be submitted by Sunday. So that's just so you have a heads up. I will record a goodbye to everyone, but I do really mean it when I say that it has been an incredible course to talk with you, to work with you, to get to know you, and I appreciate all the kindnesses that you extended to me. I thank you again, and if you need anything, please reach out. Take care.